Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for tuning into the third and final essential oil breakdown for frankincense. Today, we're going to be covering the final variation, which is Serrata frankincense. This, in my opinion, is probably one of the more popular ones. It's not quite as expensive as Sacred, and I find it to be, I don't know, I'd have to smell them side by side, but from memory, I find it to be a little bit higher in quality than Rotadian, which is, I don't know, I think it comes down to personal preference, but from my memory, I seem to recall it being that way. I might be getting them confused, though, so don't really hold me to it. In any case, before we dive into the profile, as always, please do consult your doctor before use. Now let's dive in. The scent is described as a balsamic, warm, slightly spicy, sweet, and woody aroma. Under uses, you'll see anxiety, asthma, bronchitis, extreme coughing, scars, stress, and stretch marks. Method of extraction is steam distilled and blends well with black cumin, cedarwood, lavender, lemon, rose, sandalwood, and ylang. And under notes, can irritate skin if oxidized, which is to be said for most essential oils in all honesty. All of the frankincenses have the same rough profile. There really is a lot more nuance to them, and unless you've dealt with all of them, I don't really think it's possible to get a good understanding of it. But in any case, let's dive into the history of Serrata frankincense. The resin of the Boswellia serrata trees is a common and important herb of the Ayurvedic medicine. Also known as Indian frankincense, Boswellia has traditionally been used to support a response to occasional pain and promote a healthy inflammatory response. Boswellia appears to be quite anti-cancer. There are not a large battery of studies on these claims, but preliminary mouse and rat evidence where the rodents are injected with tumors suggests that Boswellia can potentially suppress tumor growth and in some cases actually outright prevent tumor growth, which is really exciting stuff. I'm always skeptical to bring up cancer studies just because I feel like a lot of websites and blogs out there do overhype them. However, in this case, I feel inclined to believe the evidence that's provided. It's really rough because a lot of times essential oils aren't given a lot of funding and they aren't given a lot of light. I think that's just commentary on big pharma though. Although, I don't know, time will tell. It seems like every other year there's a new cancer preventing medicine out there, so I don't know. It looks promising, but without further studies, we can't really make a claim one way or the other. In any case, let's dive into a recipe. This one is aimed at toning skin. It is 4 drops of lavender, 2 drops Helichrysum, italicum, and 2 drops frankincense, serrata, and then blend that with 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. It's a pretty simple recipe, and then just apply to whatever areas you'd like to be affected, and that's really about it. In any case, if you'd like to add Serrata frankincense to your library and collection, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oil, link beneath in the description. They are a great company and provide an excellent service and product. And if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns about frankincense Serrata, please do let me know down beneath in the comment section. Also, be sure to drop any recipes you may have. As always, I hope you have a great day, and of course, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.